Taking the leap. Understanding, it could be a gamble. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in English conversations. It could be a gamble. Whether you're navigating through daily English dialogues or enhancing your vocabulary, understanding such phrases is crucial. So, let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how it fits into real-life contexts. Ready to roll the dice on learning? Let's get started. It could be a gamble implies that a particular action or decision involves risk and uncertainty. When someone uses this phrase, they're highlighting that the outcome is unpredictable and there's a chance of both success and failure. The word gamble here is key, drawing a parallel to gambling, where stakes are high, and results can go either way. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from personal decisions to business ventures. For instance, making a career change, quitting your job to start your own business? It could be a gamble, but the rewards might be worth it. Investing in the stock market, investing all your savings in stocks? It could be a gamble given the market's volatility. Trying new things, ordering the mystery dish at this new restaurant could be a gamble. The essence of the phrase lies in the balance between taking a risk and the potential for reward. Let's look at some scenarios where you can apply this phrase. 1. Educational decisions. Choosing to study abroad in a completely different field? It could be a gamble, considering the cultural adjustments and new academic challenges. 2. Social situations. Going on a blind date set up by a friend? It could be a gamble, because you have no idea if you'll actually get along with the person. 3. Professional projects. Launching a groundbreaking but unconventional marketing campaign? It could be a gamble, as it might be revolutionary or might not resonate with the audience at all. For English language learners, mastering such phrases enriches your conversational skills and helps you sound more like a native speaker. Practice using "it could be a gamble" in sentences or while discussing potential decisions with friends or in language learning groups. Remember, the more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you in conversations. And that's a wrap on "It Could Be a Gamble." We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase, helping you understand its nuances and applications. Language learning is itself a bit of a gamble, with its challenges and triumphs, but the journey is definitely worth it. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning. Keep taking those gambles in language learning. Who knows what amazing opportunities might come your way?